Hey everybody, welcome to 3D Print Anything. Today we're going to look at dual extrusion printing with two different PLA colors. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and take a look at the first model in a time-lapse of dual PLA. It is going to be white and black. Here we go. Okay, now that that's done, we have our model. And this is, like I said, black and white PLA in the form of a cone. The model will be linked below in the description for you if you want to download it. But we did a wonderful job at a 0.2 layer height. No issues at all. I mean, just impeccable quality on dual color. And I did multiple models, as we're going to show you another one here in a minute, to see that it doesn't always work out this way. So let's go ahead and take a look at that second print. Alright, here's our second print. This guy right here is printed with also no supports, as you saw. But unlike the cone, which had no color issues, this guy did have a little bit come through on the body on this side, on the shoulder, which is unfortunate, but maybe a little bit of sanding will take care of that. And overall, yet again, really strong, really nice model. Also is linked in the description for you. And really amazing compared to what you think you might be able to do with the 3D printer. Not just one color, but two is definitely possible. You just have to take the time to make the models. And there's a couple out there, not that many compared to regular single filament color printer models, but definitely some out there and available for you. Now, for the last one, these guys had no support and they were printed at 0.2, so I went for a little more challenge. I went with a model that needed support and also went with 0.1 layer height. And the ooze shield that you're about to see in this one didn't quite stick together, and I changed the setting, trying something out, basically trying to use a little bit less filament, see if it would make a difference. Unfortunately, the ooze shield was only one layer thick on this last one, and it did not stay together, as you see in the time lapse coming right up. Now here we go. We've got our last model in dual color. The support peeled right off. I did manually support this and did not let the Simplify 3D program do it, because it wanted to support both models almost independently, and that really doesn't work well. So I created a support on the bottom after I joined the models together for dual extrusion, and these guys came off perfectly with no issues. I also used dense support on this to give a little better quality. Now here's our 20-sided die in black and white PLA. It came out really nice. There definitely is some more cleanup because we did use supports. Whenever you use supports, do expect some cleanup to be done, such as sanding, specifically in this case the bottom where the supports weren't. But overall, I would say it came out really well. The sides that weren't supported are amazing. There is a little bit of bleed through of the white, but most of it's on the surface, so a light sanding or just running your finger across it, honestly. Some of these are coming off completely, some not so much. But a little bit of sanding, clean this guy up real nice. A nice big 20-sided die. So there we are, our three models for today in black and white PLA, printed out with a dual extruder printer. It came out really nice. Well, thanks for tuning in today. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and put them below. If you have any ideas for future episodes, you can place them there too. Go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel as we look at more 3D printing.